Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to play around a little bit more with the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. I just did a full review that I'll have a link down below. Started out with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil on this eye because I wanted something white as a base, but concealer worked way better on the other side. Starting off with the shade Carnelian, it is very pretty. I do feel I had to dip into it quite a few times to really build up the pigment, but overall that's not a big deal to me. I think that the color payoff is really nice and there really wasn't any fallout. Next I picked up the shade Morgan to kind of buff out the outer edge and just kind of blend it together a little bit so it didn't look so harsh, and I think that it really helped. Now taking Jasper to deepen the outer V, same with Carnelian, taking a few dips into the pan to really build it up, but I really liked these two colors combined together. The shimmer I used for this look is Azalea, and on this first eye I just went in with my finger, but on the second eye I put some NYX glitter glue down first, and I think that helped a lot. Taking some of Clove into the outer V just a little bit to kind of deepen it up a little bit more. Now I'm back with foundation on so I can do the under eyes. I'm really not a fan of doing the eyes first, but I wanted to try it today and I didn't really care for it. I like to do my foundation and base all first. But I'm taking just Carnelian and Jasper on the under eye. Carnelian mostly with a fluffier brush and Jasper kind of with that smaller definer, and blending them all together. For the inner corner and brow bone I used Agate and just blended that kind of up and down in that inner corner and then on the brow bone. In between every shade I always go back in and just keep blending. I used a brown liner, and I don't always love brown liner, but I kind of wanted to use one for this look. And then I went back in with Jasper and Clove a little bit on that definer brush to kind of blend it down into the shadow so it didn't look just like a harsh line. Putting on a little bit of mascara before putting on false lashes. I don't usually show this part, so I thought I would leave it in this little quick tutorial, I guess you can call this, but this is just me playing around with the palette and having some fun. I don't get the chance to put on makeup very often with a 2-month-old anymore, so just wanted to play around today and kind of show you guys a different look than what I did in my review. Anyone else always have a problem with those dang inner corners trying to stick? On the lower lashes, I was loving the Essence Lash Princess, and I used up one, and this is the second one I got, and I don't feel like it's as good. But here is the final look all done. I am not a makeup artist or pro at this, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.